The message is clear and the evidence stark. The COVID-19 pandemic is threatening the hard-won gains since Beijing in an environment where long-standing exclusion and discrimination of women has further undermined the response and recovery.
In just about a week, I look forward to the Generation Equality Forum in Paris, where this conversation will build on Mexico and crescendo to reinvigorated commitment and transformative action to leave no one behind, targeting 6 critical areas for transformation: ending gender-based violence, securing economic justice, bodily autonomy, climate justice, technology and innovation for gender equality, and promoting women's movements and women's leadership.
UN Women warns that the economic and health impacts of COVID-19 have exacerbated existing gender gaps, placing modest gains made over the last quarter century in peril, with women's leadership becoming a pressing concern.
We now need to make sure that our parliaments are not on global average 25%. We need to make sure that our local governments do not have a limited number of women. We want to make sure that our cabinets do not have an underrepresentation of women. We need you to take action.
Making women's leadership a preference is viewed as an urgent imperative because the data points to its benefits on all of society.
In government, it leads to greater investments in social protection, the environment, and climate justice. In peace negotiations, it is linked to more durable solutions, and in the private sector to better business performance. Yet, despite all the evidence, women in leadership positions still face resistance, suspicion, and even hostility, based on stereotypes about their capabilities and their place in society.
Amid a backlash about women's rights and a shrinking civil space in many countries, the call for political and financial support for feminist leadership is growing, including through quotas.
For the first time in history, the European Commission, of which I have the honor to be president, has as many female members as male. This was long overdue. We now want to repeat this success at the middle and senior management levels. Women already hold more than 40% of the top positions in the European Commission.
Also addressing the summit was World Health Organization Director General Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, who shared a statistic that while 70% of the world's healthcare workforce was made up of women, just 25% of leadership positions within the healthcare sector were held by women, calling for gender transformative policies, not just in healthcare, but in all sectors, to address these blatant inequities. Sherwin Brycepeace, SABC News, New York.